back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, I am going to do an intro with a voiceover, which I should have done but I didn't. And yeah, today, first of all, Ramadan Mubarak to my fellows. And yeah, so we had errands to run with me and my sister, things we wanted to use for our dinner, and some of the decorations we wanted, but ntabwo twazibonye, so yeah, twakoresheje n'ibyo twabonye. And this video, as you see on the thumbnail, it's all about how we prepare our meal for Ramadan. And yeah, that's all. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Everybody trying to make songs that's for the millennium. I think I've been ahead of the millennium or whatever. I done been after death, before Christ, all of that. I try to make music that is far ahead. And with the blessing of God, I'm gonna keep making music.
Baby boy, stay on my mind if I feel nothing.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Oh, my baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go. Let me breathe. Stay out my fantasy.
When they're ready to give me the thing, they're ready for really get to life. Tell me all about the things that you were fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come tell me in the night, I make we get it amplified. But I grip for run the ship, and I go slip, and I go slide. In other words, the love I got to give is certified. For giving the toughest, longest time for ride, girl.
Baby boy, stay on my mind.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my
You don't know
dreams.
the love is real.
Us dancing real close in a dark, dark corner of a basement party. Every time I close my eyes, it's like everyone left but you and me.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need time now. I really need.
And people be like, these glasses ni za wine. These wash zinywamo icyo ushaka. Juice, water, anything you feel like, ushaka unywemo. Hama rero on the other side, my sister yatangiye guteka, but yari yashyizemo amavuta and some pilau masala and black pepper and some salt nk'uko mubibonye, and then you add in your rice ukabivanga neza. And yeah, and after that iyo ushaka wongeramo amazi asanzwe cyangwa se you add in amazi watogosheshejemo inyama, and then akaba ari ikoresha, and then nimba you used 4 cups of rice, you use 4 cups zayo ziriya nyine zari amazi yo mu nyama or amazi asanzwe. Nimba wayamennye but shouldn't even ntabwo it's good nyine kuyakoresha nimba uri gukora ipilawu itarimo inyama. Niyo yaba irimo inyama and then wazitogosheje you keep it on the side and then you use it. As you see, niyo agiye gukoresha. And I think that's it. Ibindi I'll let you watch and see. Ndibaza nta bindi bintu yongeramo. That's it.
I need to free mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now. I really need Jada. I need to free mind now.
After you gushyiramo ibintu byose and you add on ishashi, you cover the rice kugira ngo nyine ushye neza. Yeah. And also at this point, ndibaza mwese everyone knows how to cook inyama, cause nimba it's the most thing that's on my channel. I think here I have nothing to say. Yeah.
You say you're on your way. Why now? When you just went and lying. Message received. I know you want me back. I know the procedure. Trying to come to my place. Turn around, it's no fun. Oh, baby, too far to go.
Here yashaka kubereka how the rice turned out, ariko ari gufata video she thought ko biri kugaragara ba nyuma mu kanya nibwo yabibonye ko bitari birimo. And also me, I was done with cleaning the other stuff, and I also had to clean the fruits. Let me tell you, mujye mwoza your fruits. You'll see at the end the way the water looked. I thought nabonye bitagaragara neza nkuko byari kugaragara like in real life, ariko nyine you people have to clean your fruits before you eat them. Sibyo.
I like to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm in line, my mind it runs.
On the other side doing the table and the decorations we wanted. So we used a table runner, but it looked good. And yeah, this is going to be the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.